will change major industries. While much of the discussion around blockchain has surrounded Bitcoin and its ups and downs, corporations and businesses are quickly waking up to the possibility of using blockchain to secure and improve large volumes of transactions as well. By removing the need for trusted third parties, blockchain has the potential to make interactions within massive networks more efficient. While much of the private blockchain solutions in development are catered towards securing transactions within large financial institutions, blockchain technology can also have profound effects on industries that fundamentally affect the lives of everyday consumers. Here are 5 industries that represent a similar set of characteristics: significant middleman costs, inefficiency, and lack of transparency that the blockchain is designed to improve. For all the excitement around them, public and large-scale elections are just as confusing as they are satisfying. Even if the candidate of your preference does win, how confident can you be in the accuracy of the results? The risk of maintaining a centralized voting system is growing exponentially as hackers improve their abilities, while current practices become increasingly outdated. Blockchain can be the solution to this complicated nightmare of trust and verification issues. At its core, blockchain is a permanent cryptographic record, a ledger of digital events that can only be updated by a consensus vote. It provides a balance of all the traits you would want from a true and democratic voting platform, as it provides an immutable, yet also fault-tolerant system for storing information. In addition, you cannot change or alter the system without showing the rest of the people in the network, which gives the public a transparent view into how things really play out. With countries such as Estonia already pioneering online voting, which says up to 11,000 working days per election, it is easy to see a technology such as blockchain further securing and digitizing voting processes in the future. The transactional nature of the real estate industry is confusing, inefficient, and, perhaps most importantly, extremely expensive. There is a long string of middlemen, think brokers, titling agencies, inspectors, etc., who slow down the process, amplify human error, and drive up the costs of doing business. A public, distributed blockchain ledger that acts as a living database for all deals, negotiations, and settlements in the industry can overcome many of these shortcomings and reduce the need for trust managers. With smart contracts, the core innovation behind the globally recognized Ethereum blockchain, not only can the cumbersome process of going through a series of middlemen be done away with, transactions that required independent third parties to process can now be made more efficient and cost-effective as well. For instance, by allowing pre-written contracts to be executed automatically when stipulations are met, smart contracts can automate escrow processes and ensure that property ownership and payments are exchanged efficiently and with complete transparency. One of the most exciting companies in this space is Relisto, who employs the Ethereum blockchain to overcome many of these inefficiencies. Every investment made via their crowdfunding platform is mirrored on their blockchain and verified via smart contracts. Currently, real estate investing is made exclusive to those with millions and millions and barred from the masses. Relisto is effectively democratizing real estate investing, making it possible for individuals, small and medium-sized investors, to get involved and exercise their investing rights. Relisto co-founder, Ravan Rosenbaum, explains, the inspiration behind Relisto was to create access to real estate opportunities for investors of all sizes and investment goals. With Relisto, you can leverage the blockchain to select what project to invest in, actively manage your investment on our app, track real-world market value, and then receive proportional returns in Ethereum. At the core is the concept of local expertise, with the first round of projects being directly launched in our home market of Berlin as proof of concept. There is little more than a label on a shirt that tells you where it is made. For consumers and business owners alike, there are few ways to find out where your products or production materials truly originate from. Even in an increasingly globalized market, most of the ways with which we can verify the origin of a product, e.g. website, product label, can easily be forged. The freight and logistics industries are a messy conglomerate of third parties all charging each other different rates and communicating independently of each other. So how do we know we are getting what we paid for? Blockchain technology, with its immutable ledger and